If you're a senior and feel like you're missing something in the kitchen, then keep watching because today we'll be going over 30 kitchen gadgets every senior should have. From making cooking safer to speeding things up in the kitchen, these gadgets will blow you away. Don't forget to check the description for links to all the products mentioned, and stick around until the end because you won't want to miss this. First up is the large chicken breast shredder tool. Tired of manually shredding chicken for your favorite recipes? This gadget makes the task effortless and quick. The large chicken breast shredder tool is a durable, ergonomic tool that quickly and evenly shreds cooked chicken breasts with minimal effort. It's ideal for seniors or anyone with limited hand strength who enjoys cooking but finds repetitive tasks challenging. Simply place your cooked chicken inside, twist the top, and watch as perfectly shredded chicken is ready in seconds. Its non-slip base ensures stability, and it's easy to clean, making it a reliable and efficient kitchen helper. Next up is the jar opener. How many times have you struggled to twist open stubborn jar lids? Say goodbye to frustration with this clever solution. This jar opener is a heavy-duty, non-slip tool designed to make opening jars effortless. It's perfect for seniors, individuals with arthritis, or anyone with limited hand strength who struggles with tight lids. With its sturdy design and ergonomic grip, this gadget securely clamps onto jar lids, giving you the leverage you need to twist them open with ease. Compact and durable, it's an essential tool for any kitchen. On our number 3 spot, we have the fruit and vegetable cleaning brush. Say goodbye to dirt and residues on your produce with this handy tool. The fruit and vegetable cleaning brush is a durable, ergonomic brush designed to gently yet effectively clean fruits and vegetables. With its soft bristles and comfortable grip, it makes washing produce quick and easy. Perfect for seniors or anyone who prioritizes fresh, clean, and healthy eating. Keep your meals fresh and your produce spotless. Moving on to our 4th item, we have the microwave placemat and food cover. Keep your microwave clean and your food covered with this multi-purpose gadget. Designed with a non-slip base and splatter-proof cover, the microwave placemat and food cover ensures mess-free reheating and easy cleanup. Perfect for seniors or anyone looking for a simple way to maintain a clean microwave, this tool doubles as a heat-resistant mat and a practical food cover. It's easy to use, store, and clean. The number 5 item on our list is called the magnetic knife strips. Prep like a pro with this sleek and space-saving kitchen organizer. This magnetic strip securely holds knives and other metal utensils, keeping your kitchen counter clutter-free while ensuring your tools are always within reach. Say goodbye to rummaging through drawers and hello to an organized, professional-looking kitchen. Perfect for seniors or anyone looking to maximize kitchen safety and efficiency. Our 6th gadget is the Mezzaluna. With silicone handle brings convenience and precision to chopping tasks. Struggling to chop herbs or vegetables evenly? This Mezzaluna makes the process smooth and simple. With its sharp, curved blade and soft silicone handle, the Mezzaluna allows for a rocking motion that minimizes hand strain. It's perfect for seniors or anyone with arthritis who wants to enjoy meal preparation without discomfort. Its unique design ensures a firm grip and better control, making chopping faster, safer, and easier than traditional knives. Next up is the GoodGrip's jar opener with base pad. Struggling with hard-to-open jar lids? This handy tool makes it simple and stress-free. The GoodGrip's jar opener with base pad is a durable, easy-to-use gadget that provides a secure grip on jar lids of all sizes. It's ideal for seniors, arthritis sufferers, or anyone who wants a quick and effortless way to open jars. With its base pad to stabilize the jar and an ergonomic handle for better grip, this opener makes the task smooth and easy. It's compact, dishwasher safe, and a must-have for your kitchen. On number 8, we have the Scotch Bright Non-Scratch Dish Wand Kit. Tired of tough grease and hard-to-reach spots in your dishes? This tool is your perfect cleaning companion. The Scotch Bright Non-Scratch Dish Wand Kit comes with a refillable wand and non-scratch sponge heads. It's perfect for seniors or anyone looking for an easy and effective way to clean without damaging delicate surfaces. This dish wand not only makes cleaning simple, but also keeps your hands dry and protected while scrubbing. Next, we have the Stirmate Automatic Pot Stirrer. Tired of constant stirring while cooking? Let this gadget do the work for you. Designed with a self-adjusting mechanism and powerful motor, the Stirmate automatic pot stirrer keeps your sauces, soups, and stews perfectly mixed without your hands. Perfect for seniors or anyone who wants to reduce effort in the kitchen, this stirrer is rechargeable, quiet, and adaptable to most pot sizes. Say goodbye to burnt or unevenly mixed food. The number 10 item on our list is the Hamilton Beach electric can opener. Open cans effortlessly with this reliable and easy-to-use kitchen tool. This electric can opener features a smooth edge cutting design, ensuring no sharp edges are left behind. It's a game changer for seniors or anyone with limited hand strength. Say goodbye to manual can openers and hello to convenience and safety with this must-have kitchen gadget. Our 11th gadget is the Farberware meat and potato masher is a versatile kitchen tool designed to simplify meal prep. Ever found mashing potatoes or browning ground meat cumbersome? This gadget solves the problem effortlessly. The Farberware meat and potato masher features a 5-blade design that makes breaking up and mashing food a breeze. It's great for seniors or anyone who loves cooking but prefers tools that reduce hand strain and speed up tasks. Its heat-resistant, non-stick material is easy to clean and works perfectly with non-stick cookware, ensuring hassle-free use. Next up is the prescription medicine bottle opener. Do you find opening medicine bottles tricky and time-consuming? This practical tool is here to help. The prescription medicine bottle opener is a small, easy-to-use gadget designed to effortlessly open child-proof or tightly sealed medicine bottles. It's perfect for seniors, caregivers, or anyone who needs a bit of extra assistance with these lids. Simply place the opener over the bottle cap, apply gentle pressure, and twist. No more struggling with stubborn seals. Its compact size makes it easy to carry, ensuring help is always within reach. At number 13, we present the AntiFatigue Floor Mat. Spending long hours standing in the kitchen or at your workspace, this mat is here to ease the strain. The AntiFatigue Floor Mat is a cushioned, ergonomic mat that reduces pressure on your feet, legs, and back during extended standing periods. With its non-slip base and waterproof surface, it's ideal for seniors or anyone needing extra support and comfort while cooking or working. Add it to your daily routine for better posture and less fatigue. Next up is the Milk Frother Wand. Elevate your morning coffee or hot cocoa with a touch of barista-style froth. The Milk Frother Wand is a handheld, battery-operated tool that whips up creamy foam in seconds. Perfect for seniors or anyone who enjoys cafe-quality beverages at home, this lightweight and ergonomic gadget is simple to use and easy to clean. Add a professional touch to your drinks effortlessly. The number 15 item on our list is the Pancake Batter Dispenser. Make perfect pancakes and baked treats every time with this handy tool. This dispenser allows you to precisely pour batter without mess, ensuring evenly sized pancakes, cupcakes, or waffles. Say goodbye to drips and uneven portions and hello to effortless and enjoyable cooking. Ideal for seniors or anyone who loves precision in the kitchen. And if you want to know the latest prices of the gadgets mentioned in this video, be sure to click the links below. And if you're having a good time watching this video, we would love it if you hit that subscribe button. Our 16th gadget is the GoodGrip's Salad Chopper. With bowl simplifies healthy eating with minimal effort. Cutting salad ingredients can be time-consuming and messy. This handy chopper solves the problem in a snap. The GoodGrip Salad Chopper includes a durable bowl and dual-blade chopper that slices through vegetables, fruits, and proteins efficiently. It's perfect for seniors or anyone who loves fresh salads but struggles with extended cutting tasks. Its ergonomic design ensures comfort, while the high-quality materials make it a long-lasting addition to your kitchen. Next up is the Angled Measuring Cup Set. Tired of bending or squatting to check liquid measurements? This innovative tool eliminates the hassle. The Angled Measuring Cup Set features a unique design that allows you to read measurements from above. It's perfect for seniors or anyone who wants a more convenient and comfortable way to measure ingredients. With its 3 different cup sizes, easy-to-read markings, and sturdy construction, this set ensures accuracy and ease of use. It's dishwasher-safe and a must-have for baking or cooking enthusiasts. At number 18, we have the Baggy Rack Pack. Ever found yourself struggling to fill food storage bags without spilling? This gadget is your ultimate helper. The Baggy Rack Pack is a hands-free tool designed to hold storage bags open, making it easy to pour, fill, and seal. Perfect for seniors, busy parents, or anyone looking for a more efficient way to handle food prep, this gadget is compact, adjustable, and easy to clean. Moving on to item 19, we have the electric salt and pepper grinder set. Season your meals with ease and style using this sleek gadget. Designed with a rechargeable battery and adjustable coarseness settings, the electric salt and pepper grinder set ensures precise and effortless seasoning. Perfect for seniors or anyone who loves cooking with convenience, these grinders are easy to use and add a modern touch to any kitchen. The number 20 item on our list is the electric water filter pitcher. Enjoy clean, great-tasting water effortlessly with this advanced gadget. This electric pitcher features a powerful filtration system that removes impurities, ensuring safe and refreshing drinking water for you and your family. Say goodbye to heavy water bottles and hello to convenience and sustainability with this must-have kitchen tool. Perfect for seniors or anyone seeking healthier hydration. And if you still haven't found something you like, then keep watching because we still have 10 more gadgets that you'll love. Our 21st gadget is the Fullstar Vegetable Chopper, is a time-saving powerhouse in the kitchen. Dicing vegetables can be tedious and tiring. This chopper makes the process quick and effortless. The Fullstar Vegetable Chopper includes multiple blades for chopping, slicing, and dicing, offering versatility for meal prep. It's ideal for seniors or anyone who prefers safe, efficient kitchen tools that cut prep time in half. With its non-slip base and easy-to-clean components, it's the perfect companion for preparing healthy meals with less hassle. Next on the list is the GoodGrip cutting board. How many times has your cutting board slipped while chopping? Stay safe and mess-free with this reliable solution. The GoodGrip cutting board is a reversible, non-slip cutting board designed for stability and ease of use. It's great for seniors, home chefs, or anyone looking for a durable, secure cutting surface. Its textured grip and thick, reversible surface make it ideal for various kitchen tasks, while its dishwasher-safe material ensures easy cleaning. On our number 23 spot, we have the digital kitchen timer. Want to keep track of cooking or other timed activities without stress? This timer has you covered. The digital kitchen timer features a magnetic backing, large display, and user-friendly buttons for easy operation. Perfect for seniors or anyone who enjoys precision and convenience in the kitchen, this timer is compact, reliable, and easy to set up. Say goodbye to overcooked meals or forgotten tasks. Next, we have the Snap and Strain. Draining pasta or vegetables can be tricky, but this tool makes it effortless. The Snap and Strain is a silicone colander that clips onto pots and pans, letting you strain water without transferring food to a separate colander. Perfect for seniors or anyone who values convenience and safety in the kitchen, this compact and easy-to-clean strainer saves time and minimizes mess. The number 25 item on our list is the 3-color temperature LED water faucet light. Add a touch of magic and safety to your sink with this innovative gadget. This LED faucet light changes color based on water temperature, making it easy to avoid burns or cold surprises. Say goodbye to guessing water temperature and hello to convenience and fun. Perfect for seniors, families, or anyone wanting a functional and stylish upgrade. Our 26th gadget is the foam grip. Tubing is a game changer for individuals needing better grip and control. Do you or your loved ones struggle to hold utensils or tools securely? This foam tubing offers an effective solution. The foam grip tubing provides a soft, comfortable grip that fits over utensils, pens, or toothbrushes. It's perfect for seniors, individuals with arthritis, or anyone with reduced hand strength. This adaptive tool makes daily activities easier and more comfortable, giving users the confidence to maintain their independence. Next up, we have the Fingergrip vegetable peeler. Peeling vegetables can be tough on your hands, but this ergonomic gadget makes it a breeze. The Fingergrip vegetable peeler is a lightweight, easy-to-hold tool designed to peel vegetables with minimal effort. It's perfect for seniors, arthritis sufferers, or anyone who wants to avoid hand strain. With its comfortable finger loop and sharp blade, this peeler provides precise control and smooth peeling. Its compact design fits comfortably in your hand, making it a practical and efficient kitchen accessory. On our number 28 spot, we have the Silicone Cooking Utensils Set. Upgrade your cooking experience with this premium set of kitchen tools. The silicone cooking utensil set includes 33 non-stick, heat-resistant tools designed for durability and functionality. Perfect for seniors or anyone wanting versatile, easy-to-use utensils, this set is safe for all cookware types and adds convenience to meal prep. Make cooking fun and hassle-free. Our 29th gadget is the electric wine opener. Make uncorking wine bottles a breeze with this stylish and efficient gadget. Designed with a sleek stainless steel body and rechargeable battery, the electric wine opener removes corks effortlessly at the push of a button. Perfect for seniors or anyone who enjoys wine without the hassle of manual openers, this gadget adds elegance and ease to your wine experience. Finally, at number 30 item on our list is the silicone oven guards. Protect yourself from painful burns with this simple yet effective kitchen accessory. These silicone guards fit snugly over your oven racks, providing a heat-resistant barrier that shields your hands and arms. Say goodbye to accidental burns and hello to safer cooking. Perfect for seniors or anyone looking to enhance kitchen safety and comfort. And there you have it. We hope these 30 kitchen gadgets are just what you've been looking for to make cooking much easier. And if you guys found this video valuable, we would love it if you hit that subscribe button and be sure to check out the description for the links to find the latest pricing on all the products mentioned. Until next time,